Action has been initiated in the Kandhamal dead elephant disappearance case, with the Forest Department and police tightening the investigation. The driver of the forest ranger, identified as Hrusikesh Panda, has been arrested in connection with the incident from Baliguda Forest Division. Officials said a JCB machine linked to the accused was allegedly used to dig a pit to bury the elephant carcass in an attempt to destroy evidence. The concerned ranger, Binay Kumar BC, is currently absconding. A case has been registered against 3 persons: Ranger Binay Kumar BC, his driver Hrusikesh Panda, and JCB owner Antaryami Sahu, on charges of concealing the information and tampering with evidences. Investigators were alerted after mutilated part of the dead elephants were recovered from Kantesri village under Kesinga police station in neighbouring Kalahandi district, raising suspicion of deliberate disposal of the carcass. Following the developments, Ranger Binay Kumar BC has been placed under suspension. A separate case has also been registered at the Belghar Forest Range. Forest and Environment Minister Ganesh Ram Singh Khuntia has assured strict action, stating that those involved will not be spared. Further investigation is underway.
निश्चित भाव में आम डिपार्टमेंट सीधीगर तदंत करुच्ची कहीं से हाथी जदि मृत्यु है जेकि अन्य जिला को लेकिन पोतवाटा बड़ अपराधर कथा। निश्चित भाव में फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट तदंत करुच्ची एवं पीसीसीएफ को डायरेक्शन दिखाई से तदंत करके जो माने ये जो केस रे अंतर्भुक्त अच्छा निश्चित भाव में विरुद्ध रे कार्यानुष्ठान नियाब एवं जो मैंने साहाଯ୍य भी कर जेसी वाला ठू आरंभ करी एडे बड़ हाथी को लेकिन बाहर पोतवाटा जघन्य अपराधर काम। एभलिया लोक बिल्कुल सरकारी चाकरी रहा कथा भी नुहे।